crafty friends, it's Jenny from Origami Tree bringing you free crafty fun all year round, and today we'll be learning how to make a square pop-up card. But before we jump into the video, if you're new to this channel, be sure you hit the subscribe button. Also turn on those notifications so you'll be alerted when new crafty fun videos come out. And without further ado, let's jump right in. To make the pop-up square card, you need 4 sheets of paper. Each of these are 4 1/4 inch. You'll also need 8 smaller squares to decorate the walls of the card. I chose these fun rainbow chevron ones. Here I have 6 additional squares that will be used for the front and back covers of the book, as well as the floor of the book. You'll need a pencil or pen, a pair of scissors, glue stick, 2 pieces of ribbon to tie the book together, and this is completely optional, but you guys know that I love to use bone folders to create neater folds, and I'll leave a link to Amazon if you're interested in getting one of these. I just love using them. I'll put that in the video description. So now that we have everything, let's get started. First, we're going to grab one of the larger squares and fold it in half. Unfold, rotate, and fold in half in the opposite direction. Now let's focus on the lower right quadrant here. I'm going to trace the border so that it's easier to see on camera. After that, I'm going to draw in a tab like this, and also shade it in. Now let's take our pair of scissors and cut out the lower right quadrant. So you're going to cut everything except for the tab that we just shaded in. Now I'm grabbing a yellow square and gluing it to the lower left quadrant, or the floor of the book. Next, I took the rainbow colored squares and glued them along the top 2 quadrants. Let's flip the whole thing around. Take the lower right quadrant and fold it diagonally like this. Unfold. Flip it around again. Put some glue on the tab and then swing it underneath the yellow square, gluing it into place. Now let's just refold the diagonal crease of the yellow square and flatten. And when you open and close it, you can see the first pop-up action right over here. Now let's repeat the same thing with the remaining 3 square sheets. So here I have the 4 parts completed. I'm going to grab the one on the far left first and glue a yellow square on the cover page. But before I glue the entire yellow square down, I want to make sure that I put the ribbon underneath it as well to, kind of keep it in place. Now let's do the same thing with the back cover of the book. Next, we're going to glue all the pages together with my glue stick. You just want to make sure that all of the pages are actually facing the same direction when you're gluing, otherwise it's not going to open correctly. But anyway, you're going to glue them all together. I'm also alternating the colors between the teal and the light green. Once all the pages are glued together, we're going to tie a bow to secure it. And you're done with your pop-up square card. And once the card is open, you can also keep the cover and the back cover together by tying a bow. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you'd like to watch more crafty fun videos, be sure you hit subscribe. Also turn on notifications to be alerted of new future videos when they come out. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!